everyone, and welcome to the Law Office of Bryan Fagan's YouTube channel. I'm Stacey Moss, an attorney at the firm, and today we're delving into a complex but essential topic for parents and families: complex child custody issues. If you're in Texas and dealing with intricate custody matters, or simply want to understand the legal aspects involved, this video is for you. Let's start by acknowledging that child custody matters can be complex, often involving various legal, emotional, and practical factors. To better understand these complexities, let's explore a real-life scenario involving Sarah and Mark, a divorced couple with intricate child custody issues. Sarah and Mark's divorce introduced unique challenges related to the custody of their 3 children. These complexities require careful legal consideration. Now let's discuss the legal framework in Texas for child custody matters. Texas courts prioritize the best interest of the child when making child custody determinations. In Texas, there are various types of custody arrangements, including joint custody, sole custody, and shared custody. The choice depends on the unique circumstances of each case. The court considers several factors, such as the child's age, the parent's abilities, the child's preferences, and any history of abuse or neglect. Complex child custody issues can arise when one parent wishes to relocate, potentially impacting visitation schedules and parental rights. Parental alienation, where one parent attempts to undermine the child's relationship with the other parent, is another complex issue that can be legally addressed. In such cases, communication, mediation, and, when necessary, legal intervention are essential. In some complex custody cases, expert witnesses such as child psychologists or custody evaluators may be involved to provide professional assessments. Hiring an experienced family law attorney is crucial when navigating complex child custody issues. An attorney can advocate for your rights to help you understand the legal process. To conclude, complex child custody issues require careful legal consideration. Understanding the legal framework and seeking legal representation when necessary is key. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. The Law Office of Bryan Fagan is here to support you. If you have any questions or need legal assistance, don't hesitate to reach out and schedule a free 30-minute consultation. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was both helpful and informative for you. At the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, we are here for you, so please let us know how we can help you with your family law, estate planning, or criminal defense matters by calling our office today at 281-310-5563 to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can find all of our social media info in the description below, and if you would like to stay updated on all of our videos, events, and promotions, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the notification bell.